thing, Rin.
You mean this? Rin?
I'll fight you with this instead, Rin.
You will fight to your death, Rin.
I think you will die, Rin, or at least be severely injured, Rin.
You will be the one who is mortally maimed, Rin.
On guard, Rin.
On guard, Rin.
Rin.
Rin. Ah! Ah, Rin.
Rin. Rin. Rin. Ah! Ah! This isn't working.
Rin. 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 I am the lovely Rin Sama.
Rin.
Rin. Rin. Rin.
Rin.
Rin. Rin.
Be dead right now, Rin.
Well, why aren't you dead, Rin?
I'm a zombie.
Rin.
That is my ass, Rin.
Rin, I was aiming for your ass, Rin.
Oh, you're a pervert, Rin.
No, you are the pervert, Rin.
Ah,
Thinking I think such perverse thoughts, Rin.
I will shun you with my demon powers, Rin.
No, not the demon powers, Rin.
The demon powers that are over 9,000, Rin.
No.
Yes.
Hug it out!
Home, home.
Whoa.
After a long battle of the Rins, they were both dead. And everyone was happy because they were quite annoying. The end.